super excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I've got yet another video where I'm going to show you a site that can pay you $1 for every game that you play. Right? The strategy that I'm going to show you in this video is not going to make you rich. You're not going to be financially free by what I'm going to show you in this video. But it can be a good start for you to test the waters of making money online. Right. Before I give you the details, my friend, let me just remind you that my channel is all about making money. I make videos that show people how to make money using the power of the internet. If you want to use the internet to make money, then my friend, you are watching the correct channel at the right time. Click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. Right, without wasting your time, my friend, let me take you straight to our website. The website we are talking about today is called ggtu.org. It's a secure website with a padlock at the corner. That's critical to know, okay? And if you click that padlock, you see that it says connection is secure. Your information, for example, passwords or credit card numbers, is private when it is sent to this site. Certificate valid, cookies are in place, 21 of them, and the site settings can be found by clicking that button. It says earn rewards for taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. Our exciting new rewards program will give you GGU coins for doing very easy things like trying out new games, answering quick survey questions, okay? And you are paid via PayPal. You've got an option of being paid also in Bitcoins or e-gift cards, all right? So if you don't want Bitcoin, if you don't want PayPal, you can opt for the e-gift cards, which is Amazon, Steam, and many more. Surveys and offer war offers will usually give you among the best payout rates in the entire industry, 65% to 85%, whereas the competitors will pass on only 40 to 60% to their members. Sign up right now and see for yourself how much more you can earn with GGTU, and will give you $1 for signing up bonus. The signing process is easy, right? And you are getting $1 sign up bonus. All you need to do is put in your name, your email, your good email address right there, because they're going to send you a verification link. You need to give them a good email that you can access right away, all right? So that you can click the verification link they send there, then you are registered. The other cool bit about this site, my friend, is that it is a worldwide opportunity. You can do this business, you can earn money on this website from anywhere under the sun. So you sign up right there, right? Easy ways for you to earn. You'll be rewarded for things like playing games, answering questions, survey questions, signing up on sites, installing apps. You can even earn extra whilst you are playing video games or doing other things by simply having our videos playing in the background on your phone or on your computer. It's that easy. You can also earn extra money by promoting GGTU. Refer your friends, teammates, clanmates, viewers, and followers to GGTU, and every time we send them a payout or a gift card, we'll credit your account with 5% of their money for every referral forever. Okay, this is an opportunity for you to get recurring income, recurring revenue, passive income right there. These are frequently asked questions which are critical, all right? So what is GGTU? GGTU, as in saying good game to somebody or to you, is a fun and unique rewards program that is free to join. With our new GGTU premium program, you will earn coins for playing games, taking surveys, completing offers from our advertisers, right? So the way you are going to be earning money, my friend, is you split the revenue that is generated by the adverts that are coming from the advertisers. As you are playing around on this website, some adverts are going to come, and those advertisers are paying some money to the website, and the website is going to split the revenue with you. Okay, that's how you're going to make money. All right, you can also earn video points for simply having our advertisers videos playing on your phone or on your computer. Join if you are at least 18 years old, or if you are 13 years to 17 years old, right? You have permission from a parent or a guardian. So this is an opportunity for those who are under 18 to make money. So if you are 13 years and you are listening to me right now, right? You can make money on this website as long as you've got permission from a parent or a guardian, right? All PayPal payouts are done in US dollars, and we do not charge any fee on our end. Okay, that's important to know right there. Most surveys will take just 5 to 20 minutes. Every time you qualify for a survey and successfully finish it, you'll be rewarded, and you can take as many as you want each day, right? So there is no shortage of surveys or activities to do on this website, so you can maximize on that. The best way to find out whether this website is a scam or a legit site, right, is to go to Trustpilot. Trustpilot is one of the best review sites where the results and the reviews cannot be tampered with, can be trusted. Okay, right. So I'm in Trustpilot right here, and it says ggtu.org. Look at the score, my friend. 4.6 stars out of 5, right? That's a fantastic score right there. Okay, right? So, and it says, get paid to play games, tech surveys, watch videos, complete offers, and more. GGTU offers very high payout rates, friendly customer service, exciting bonuses for active members. All right. And then they've got their support link right there. Okay, support@ggtu.org. You can get them right there. All right. Look at the graph right here. 89% are saying excellent. 250 people left their views or their reviews on this, right? And 89% are saying excellent. 3% are saying great. So if you add 3 to 89, you get 92%. So 92% of people who left their reviews are saying great to excellent. So my friend, this is a fantastic website that you can use to make some side income, right? Like I said, this is not going to make you rich, okay? But it's a good way of putting your hands on the handles of making money on the internet, okay? And Alicia is saying, I've been paid several times, all within 2 days of me cashing out, and customer service is awesome. All right, look at this one. Steve is saying, great customer service, blows swagbucks out of the water in this regard. Okay, Flavio, really good and trustable. I got paid in less than 2 hours after asking for payment. This is a worldwide opportunity. Okay. So you can see the reviews are going on and on. Very nice website. I win $27 and get paid in 24 hours. You can see some more reviews for yourself right there. This is a fantastic way of testing the waters to make money online. The other thing is that this is what is called active income. The minute you stop to do any activities on this website, that's when your money also drops down to zero. See, there is another twist to making money online, my friend, which is called AutoPilot business. You can set up a money-making machine in motion, and the machine goes to work for you 24/7, 365. Whilst you are asleep, whilst you are traveling on vacation, whilst you are spending quality time with your family, with your wife, with your husband. Why? Because this money-making machine is making money on autopilot. I've got a link in the description below that can give you the details of what I've just hinted on. The link says my #1 recommendation to make money online on autopilot. Click that link for more details. So if you have found value in this video, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next videos. See you later. Bye.